got my high pass semi chuck basically all put back together and whatnot. Yeah, I got a new receiver in it, the R4, the XPR4 of the Team Associated XB120 remote and receiver, Team Associated MT10, or the Team Associated remotes in it. It comes in with a lot. This remote comes in a lot of the Team Associated cars, in it, or trucks. Yeah, got a 60 amp ESC. I put back the original Amazon motor. I'm not sure what KV it is, but I'm just gonna test that the belt in it, the stitch job I did the other day. See it there, stitch job with a super glue, stitch job, needle and thread, and then super glue again. So let's see if it works. Let's plug it in, turn the remote on, car on, hear the ESC working. The ESC I had in here before, as I mentioned, I think it was a BLX 100 amp ESC from Armour, but I'm not sure if it worked properly. So yeah, let's test it out, man. Hope for the best. Let's test the steering out, man. I've got a Savox. It's about a 20 kg Savox servo. See, Savox. Yeah, no, a 15 kg, I think. Yeah, it's 15 kg waterproof Savox servo in it. The servo's alright, man, as far as I remember. Test out the servo. See the servo. Servo is, you know what I mean? I'm trying to balance the GoPro and do the servo. So check it from this side. Balance this GoPro, man. Jeez. That's the servo. So yeah, let's test out the most important thing, the belt drive, man. Do it from this side and see. Right, hope for the best. This is the first time I've tested the thing, man. I've not that long put it together. That's not full. I'm scared to go full throttle, bruv, in case it snaps. Yeah, I had to calibrate. Is it going forward? Yeah, it's going forward. I had to calibrate the ESC and whatnot. Yeah, I had to calibrate. You see it's jerking. I think it's where the stitch job Where's the stitch job? Yeah, the stitch. When it comes to the stitch job, see, it's stuttering. It's stuttering, isn't it? Or whatever. Stutter. See? But yeah, I'll take it out, man. Just make sure the calibration's right, man, on this. Forward. That's not even full throttle, man. I'm scared to go full throttle. That's not even full throttle. And this is just a 2S battery in it. So forward. Reverse. Brake. 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 Yeah. So hopefully, give or take the rain and shit, you know what I mean? Take it out in the local park tomorrow, man. It seems alright. And I think I've got a light kit for this. I've still got to mount the body post and shit on this, man. Let's try something. I'm only in my bedroom, man. Seems alright, man. Yeah. Whoops. Let's see if we can turn it around in this little space. Good steering, at least it's got on it. I'm still going to order a belt drive for it. Yeah. In case it goes. I ain't even ordered the thing yet. Being it's Christmas holidays, still the holidays. So I'm going to order it in the new year and shit, you know what I mean? So, yeah. So hopefully, as you can see, it's all ready to go, man. I'm not sure what pinion it's got in it. I don't even know if this is a stock pinion, man. I ain't got a clue. It's a while since I've run this car. You know what I mean? So, anyway, leave it there with this vid.